Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I have a Nokia, I forgot the model, 5510. And well, I don't have a new body shell, but I can exaggerately clean this old one and give it a good polish and definitely change this power button, which is in the worst case condition. And I have those other two, a red and a blue one, well, blue like this one, that has damaged mainboards. So I'm gonna use them for parts for this little guy, which is stuck in German language. So let's begin. Well, here it is, and apparently somebody already opened it up. Why did they try like this? Look how ugly it looks here. Is it focused? Yes, it is. Yeah. Let me give it a test. I know the phone works. I hate when these things happen. I always say that I'm gonna glue these SIM cards into one piece, but I always forget. Put a battery in it. Ew. Sticky and stuck inside. The speaker doesn't sound that good, but it works. Like I said, in German. I don't know German. Nokia with N, capital N, please. Whatever. Let's start. Like I said, the button, it's horrible. I'll have to take the blue one from my other one, or the red one. We'll see which one looks better. These things are... you can easily cut in these things. And that thing just fell. Okay. There we go. It has a position in which you can take it out. And I managed to take it out. Hehe. This is the main board. I'm not gonna take this off, but I'm gonna clean it a little. This is the, well, I don't even know which one is the main board and which one is the extra. 2 for 1, I guess. And this is a classic Nokia 3310 frame. Yuck. And we'll put this away. Let me take all of these out. Oh yeah, it is dirty inside. I'm gonna go ahead and unstick it. That should be enough. Vibration router as well. There we go. Now I've talked to a friend who repaired a lot of Nokias in his life when they were popular, and he recommended me how to properly take out the antenna. Like so. See, I'm pressing here and opening up. Because these clamps are sensitive and easy to snap. And here we go, we got it in one piece. Thank you for the advice, man. Right, so before I get to clean them, let me see what else I can disassemble from it. Like for instance the speaker. This is the seal, which I'm taking off. Now, here's my problem. The display, it's polishable if it's not polished already. And here it's snapped. Oh, this thing is also removable. Nice. Yeah, it is snapped, so why am I trying? To be extra safe, you know. Oh, it's glued here. Right. Never mind. Now let's compare these two. Which one has the better front? This one has a bit of a nasty scratch here. But other than that, the red body only has a little hit here and nothing much else. This blue one has a lot more scratches. This button is also starting to melt. This one on the other hand looks better. Better-ish. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna take this front and actually this front has even better screen, except for this little scratch here. Decisions. For now, let me just take it apart as well. After I take this one apart, I'll start cleaning the parts and be right back with the assembly. I'm also going to take the frame from this one, the white one. Well, it was white, now it's more like cream. It was supposed to be this white. So I'll give it a good polish after I clean it. Also give it a good polish to the display. I'm gonna take this button eventually. And this is a before. Well, there we have them. I've cleaned them. I'm gonna put the red front cover with the screen from its original blue one, because this one has less scratches and this one has less scratches. So by the power of glue, I'm gonna put them together. So still has some little something here. Start with this so I can get over this part quick. Okay. Looking good. Okay. Leave this aside for now. Now you. I have to put everything back together. In case you don't remember how the microphone was inserted here, if you look closely here, it has some horizontal stripes because of these here. This goes like this. And also if you look at it closer here, it has like a chamfer here in its case and itself. And of course this power button, which is starting to melt away as well because it's inevitable on this device. Okay, I've made a stupid error. This doesn't go here. Right, no wonder it wasn't fitting. I think this was specifically made and this anti-stupid, anti-me. Yeah. Whoops. Good. There we go. In which place did it have the holes for the fixed screws? So, okay, 1, 2, these two for now. Time I put these back together. This is kind of the best I could do, you know. I've also had to take these apart from here. Now this guy, also let me put this here so I get rid of another headache. I almost forgot to push this other audio jack. There we go. Good, right in its place. Oh my god, I almost forgot about it. And now this. Apparently it was having some missing screws. Okay. Mm-hmm. What do you want from me? So it has a music player, I'm guessing. I don't know exactly. I have to... If this thing has an MP3 player, it will be interesting, but I think it has just a radio. Well, this was my restoration video, and now I can proudly put this in my showcase. I've polished the screen a lot. Well, not that much, but it's good that it's nice and shiny. I was ready to say good and nice and scratchy. Yeah. Some remaining, excuse me. Well, that's it for this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and found it useful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot, and thank you very much for doing that. So until next time, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourselves, and all the best. Bye.